Nvidia stock is back up at $500 a share today, December 18. A lot of our subscribers are asking us, will Nvidia stock continue to go higher, perhaps break its 52-week high of 505, or will it pull back as it did in November when it made its high? So as usual, we will take a look and analyze the data on unusual options activity from today, because something unusual did come up for Nvidia stock. So let's get to it. As you can see here, this was happening at around 12:04, 11:44. Same expiration, January 5th. Same strikes, 540 strike calls, 545 strike calls. Multiple trades at the same strikes and the same expiration cycle. So what is going on January 5th? Let's take a look at the chain. January 5th, this is 18 days away. We can see here that at the 540 and the 545, the calls here, volume of 18,000, both strikes. These are opening trades because you can see the open interest of just 300 to 200. Okay. So what is this wealthy investor doing? We believe they are selling the 540 strike calls and buying the 545 strike call. And when you analyze the trade, you can see that this is a call spread that they are selling to collect a credit. Okay. And because this is a $5 Y call spread, each of these trades requires about $500 of buying power. There was about 18,000 contracts. So this was a $9 million trader. Okay, he had to have $9 million to trade this. Okay, this is why this is a wealthy investor who can perhaps tell us, based on their research behind the scenes, what they think is going to happen to Nvidia. And based on this graph, we can see that the break even here is right over here. And this price is about 537. Okay, so as long as Nvidia does not break above 537, this trade will be profitable. Okay, because we can see here that this is where it intersects with the zero profit loss line. Anything below is a loss, anything above is a profit. So these lines are above, especially the blue line, which is the expiration line. And so that is why this 537 is very important break-even point. Okay, because this does not necessarily mean that this is a very bearish trade here. We can in fact see that the delta is only -2. Okay, it's not a very large negative number, which would be very bearish. This is a mildly bearish and a mildly bullish trade, because Nvidia from $500 can still go up, and this trade will still be profitable as long as it stays below 537 at this break even here. Okay, and as long as it stays below that, they get to keep the entire credit for selling this call spread. Okay, so will Nvidia break 505? Based on this data, it's possible. Okay, This is because they are selling the 535, the 540s. Okay, this is about the level before January 5th. This trader doesn't believe that Nvidia will break this level. Okay, that if it does break the 505, it will still stay below 540, 537, this area, and pull back. Okay, so that is what this $9 million trade is all about. All right, so if you are interested in our analyses work, where we use this type of analyses to actually get into trades that are higher probability of profit, okay, not like this trade, because this trade is actually not a very profitable trade. Okay, when you're just selling options, it's very difficult to make more than 100% like we typically do. All right, if you've been following our channel, you know that we make more than 100% in a lot of our trades. Even today, we made a 410% trade today, which we'll put a video up and a link up if you want to see that. But the key thing is that there are many stocks out there and opportunities out there every day, and we are able to detect and find out where the opportunities are in the market and trade those. All right, Nvidia currently is not one of them. If you want access and find out which ones, go to our website so you can learn more. And we'll put a link also to our trade from today, where we made 400% over here. So you can learn more about how we trade and use this strategy to beat the market on a daily basis. Take care. Have a wonderful day.